only this make it a little faster, but the color makes it slow. What can I do? Good. Yes, you can ride it as well, my friend. Yeah. Huh? This tiger? Ah, the sword from tiger, yeah. I use it on this bike. I have to protect me if I fall down. Hey, what you doing, right? Yeah, I'm trying to be. You like it? Let's make another tour, all of us, to all people once. Huh? Let's scare people. Hey, Johnny, what you doing, buddy? Hey, Johnny, what you doing, buddy?
Mastery.
What, you like my swords, what?
Yes, I like them very much.
You can keep one, I have many. If you want, you can keep one.
Wait, yeah.
Or you want to challenge me for a fight?
Go for a ride.
Okay, buddy, have fun. You free. Yes, all together. This way. Hey, let's go. Hey. What you doing? He wants to tell me something. You don't talk.
Oh, sorry. Look at sword.
Yes, take them.
Sorry.
Take another one. No? This no? Okay, I don't. But this. I have only two, you can keep them, yeah. I'm gonna fight you with my hand. Yeah. Both in the same time. Yeah. I touch you. I touch you too. No, don't hit me now. He's cutting my leg. He's cutting my leg. Somebody to help me. Somebody to help me. I'm running. I escape. Let's hide behind this tree. How did you find me? I was behind the tree. That was me. Let's run. I'm running from everybody. They cannot catch me. No, don't hit me, no, please. Someone to help me, somebody. No, please, no. I'm gonna die soon. I have 3 more lives. Let's hide behind here. They're not gonna find me. How did you find me? Let's try to run from the aliens. This way. They're never gonna find me here. I told you they're never gonna find me here. Now we are a gang. A motorcycle gang. Ha. Hello. You want to make a picture with us? Look how many we are. We are a bicycle gang. They don't want. Let's find other people to... Yeah. Hello. You want to make a picture with us? We are a motorcycle gang. Very dangerous. Yes. Do I hear a motorcycle? Let's go slow. Look, people are making photos with us. Yay! Hey! Let's go there. Let's go there to smile with the people. Hello guys, what you doing? You were wondering why I have gathered you all together here tonight? I'm gonna make you a surprise like in 20 minutes. Don't go from here. I'm gonna come back and make you everybody a surprise. Okay? Alright. Let's go guys. Let's go. Let's run. I tricked them. I made them a joke. Let's run so they don't catch us. What? Hey Johnny! Look just moved up. Hey Johnny! Johnny! Hey! Let me give you this one to have something to squeeze, yes? I give you this. Take care of it because every other guy has a toy. You have this one, yes? Okay. And now let's have fun. Hello. Hello everyone. We just want to tell you a secret. 2 plus 5 makes I don't know. I don't know, it's too hard for me. Come. Gusto mo? Luciano.
Andrea.
We're going. Tell me. Okay, guys. Nice to see you. You want to keep the sword? You keep the sword? Okay. Bye, guys.
I'm not going home.
You're not going? Okay. There. Come together. Come to make picture for the guy. Yeah. Yeah. Have fun, eh? Let's go. Hello guys, what you doing? We're just working to make people smile. Hello. Okay, let's lift the bikes and let's have a fight. Ha 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 ha. Bicycle life is gone. Smile. Smile, guys. And yeah. Ha 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 ha. I'm hiding behind the bike and I keep hitting you with the squeezer. I hit you. If you go further, you're gonna agree to be in the minefield. This is the battlefield, yeah! Ha! 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 Welcome to the battlefield! Ha! 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 Welcome to the battlefield, everybody! Sorry, you're making mistake. I think this is yours. This one is yours. Yes. It has the Squeezer 5000 Terminator. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Hello everybody, welcome to the battlefield. It's very dangerous to be around us. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Let me just touch his tail, please. I touch your tail. I touch your tail. You're very friendly. So sweet. You're very friendly and sweet. Bye, Johnny. Haha, we almost did a big accident, my friend. Take care. Hello. Smile. What is He's friendly. Hey, what you doing? Let me just touch your nose. You're friendly. You're friendly. Very sweet. Yes, yes, yes. Bye, sweetie. Bye.